Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw some geometric shapes while we learn Spanish. We draw a circle. Circle in Spanish is CIRCULO. Now we draw a triangle. It's so called because it has 3 sides. Now we draw a square that in Spanish is said CUADRADO. A square has 4 sides and they are all the same size. We draw the rectangle that is said RECTANGULO. Let's go with the rhombus that in Spanish is said ROMBO. Now we draw a star that in Spanish is said ESTRELLA. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. Marker in Spanish is ROTULADOR. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say triangle in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use red. Red in Spanish is ROJO. Now we use the brown. That is said MARRÓN. Now let's go with the green color. Green in Spanish is VERDE. Let's go with the blue color. That is said AZUL. We use maroon, which in Spanish is GRANATE. Let's see if you know the answer. Triangle in Spanish is TRIANGULO. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.